Hello Shadow Crafters, welcome back to my channel. Got another package in today. I think it's from Miniature Sweets because it's a small package. So let's find out what we got. Yeah, it looks like Miniature Sweets. Wow. Yep. Oh, I always love the packaging you put it in. I think that was washi tape, but don't quote me on it. Oh, check it out. So I can make a shaker charms. Yep, I'm getting set for Halloween. It's a pumpkin, cauldron, I don't know, crystal ball. This is for my daughter. She loves kitties. And another musical note, which I'm probably going to give away. I don't know. But thank you anyway. Here's the card. There's the promo codes. Wait, move this. I haven't taken any of these out of the package, so. Oh, this is a cute little package. I think they call it kawaii, but don't quote me on that either. But I'm gonna keep the bag. This is also for my daughter. She loves anime, little suits. And this is the, I don't know why they didn't stick it in the same package, but that's the world's smallest snowflake for molds. So I got 2 of those. They were like 50 cents each, so I figured what the heck. What other kind of molds did we get here? Oh my gosh. This came as a set of 4, obviously. And look, another snowflake mold, so now I got 3. A little moon. And the star. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Send me some coffee once in a while. And thank you for the ones who have been sending me coffee. It was very much appreciated. Thank you for stopping by. Have a good day. Namaste.